Hello friends and welcome to excelblogging.com. In this video I will show you how to calculate the year to date, quarter to date, month to date and especially week to date sales. We have this data, a one date column, product column and sales, and I will create some more calculated columns. One column for year, and I will use the date column, and I will create another column for the week and year. I will put heading week equals to year plus week num date. I will use the date column divided by 100. It will show the year plus the week in decimal. Now I will use a measure for the total sales. Create new measure. Total sales is equals to sum sales. Now I will calculate the year to date. So first let's check the total sales. So this is the total sales, and let's calculate the year to date. New measure, sales year to date is equals to calculate total sales comma dates year to date, and we'll put the date column. Two times parenthesis closed, and now we have this year to date. Another for month to date, new measure, sales month to date equals to calculate total sales comma dates month to date and the column date. And one for quarter to date, sales quarter to date is equals to calculate total sales comma dates quarter to date. You see here we don't have any built-in function for week to date. We have year to date, quarter to date and month to date. So now we are calculating quarter to date, and we'll put the date column. This is quarter to date and this is sales to date. So I will show the data and they are the same, and we will calculate the week to date and we'll check the data as well. Now we will create the week to date. We don't have any built-in function, we have to do this by using docs. Sales week to date equals to first I want to declare some variables. var current date equals to max date and current week equals to max week. And now return calculate total sales, and we will put the filters. Date is equals to current date. The date should be less than or equal to current date, and this one week, the week should be equals to current week, and parenthesis closed. Now we have week to date as well, so let us check. And I will put a filter for date. Now let's check the data in Excel and check the accuracy. In Excel, the same date, product and sales column, and I will create week, week num, so for the last week in 2019 we have 2018 data and 2019. For 2019, for the last week, which is third week, we have 81 plus 15, which is 96. Yeah, this is 96. For month to date, quarter to date, and year to date, we have 615. As this is the first month in 2019, this is also year to date, month to date, and quarter to date. The total of all of them should be the same, the 615. So if we check any data from 2018, I will check the data for this week 52 for these two. 91 plus 1 will be 92, and the date is 24. Let us filter 23, 24. 92 is week to date, month to date is 436. This is the month of 12. Yeah, 436. And for quarter to date 681. The last quarter will be the 11 and 12, this month plus this month till this date 681, that is okay. And year to date, that is 1177. And let us check that this is all 2018, 1177. So this is completely accurate. Now you can use filters that will calculate the week to date, month to date, quarter to date, and a year to date. You can download this Power BI file from the video description. And if it was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe and be notified about the upcoming videos. Thanks.